Free report: 4 things self-employed house painters must have to make the most money. Hello, I'm a fellow painting business owner, painting contractor, etc., and I have over 25 years of experience owning and running my own painting business. And I know that most house painters can really rake in the cash if they know and have these 4 things going for them. If they have and use these 4 components, then yes, they will make money, and that's without trying to be a big company with a lot of employees and overhead. When I started my painting business, I had only one thing going for me. I knew how to find customers. Even though I was good at finding jobs, I learned these 4 major secrets over the years for getting the highest professional hourly profits. And I want to share them with you so that you can make great money right out of the gate. To get this free report and take advantage of the 4 major profit boosters mentioned above instantly, please click on the link below this video.